Hello everyone, welcome to Math Vibes. Those who are new to our channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Today in this video, we are going to learn about triangles and its types. So first of all, let's quickly revise about what do you mean by a triangle. Well, a triangle is a three-sided polygon. It has three sides, three angles and three vertices. Now what do you mean by a polygon? A polygon is which is made up of three or more line segments only. It is a simple closed curve made up of three or more line segments only. Okay, so a triangle is a three-sided polygon. Now these are some of the examples of triangles that you can see around yourself in our daily life. Okay, like these are nacho chips or mad angles or bingo mad angles, or the roof of the hut, or some rooftops are made like this. And then this is a road sign. Generally they are in the form of a triangle. So even on bridges, on roads, or on hills, you can see the example of triangles all around yourself. A pizza slice, right? So many other examples are there of a triangle. So now let us quickly learn about the classification or the types of triangles. Well, triangles can be classified on two bases. First is on the basis of angles and on the basis of sides. Okay, on the basis of angles and on the basis of sides. Now let us firstly quickly discuss about the types of triangles on the basis of angles. Okay, so the very first one is an acute angled triangle. Now what do you mean by an acute angle triangle? Well, it is a triangle in which all the angles are acute. An acute angled triangle is one in which all the angles are acute. Okay, so for example, this is a triangle JKL in which the angles are 60 degrees, 72 degree and 48 degrees, and as you can see that all the angles are acute over here, so it is called an acute angled triangle. Okay, now let us see what do you mean by a right angled triangle. Well, a right-angled triangle is a triangle in which any one angle is a right angle. For example, if you look at this triangle MN and O, then you will find that over here angle M is of 90 degrees. So we can say that this is a right angle triangle in which any one angle is a right angle. Now, the special thing about a right angle triangle is that the side which is opposite to the right angle, the side which is opposite to the right angle is called the hypotenuse, and the other two sides are called the legs. Okay, and how many right angles can one triangle have? Well, a triangle can have only one. Any one angle can be right, not more than that. Okay. So now the next type of triangle on the basis of angles is obtuse angled triangle. Now what do you mean by an obtuse angled triangle? As the name suggests, an obtuse angled triangle is a triangle in which any one angle is an obtuse angle. Here any one is an obtuse angle. Okay, so if you look at the figure over here in triangle PQR, angle P is 128 degrees. Okay, so that will make it an obtuse angled triangle. And how many obtuse angles can a triangle have? It can have only one obtuse angle, not more than that. A triangle can have only one obtuse angle. So that was about obtuse angled triangle and triangles on the basis of angles. Now the next is on the basis of sides. How can we classify the triangles? The first type of triangle on the basis of side is a scalene triangle. A scalene triangle. Now what do you mean by that? It is a triangle in which all the sides are unequal. No sides are equal over here. Okay, here in all the sides will be unequal. For example, if you look at this triangle ABC, then its measurements are 4, 6 and 9 centimeter respectively. Okay, so they all are different, they all are unequal. So this will be an example of a scalene triangle. Now let us learn about the next type of triangle on the basis of sides, which is isosceles triangle. Now what do you mean by an isosceles triangle? Well, this word iso means two. Okay, iso means two. So from here you can get the hint that a triangle in which any two sides are equal, they are called a triangle in which any two sides are equal is called an isosceles triangle. Okay, an isosceles triangle. And here in an isosceles triangle you have two sides which are equal. Okay, and the other two sides, and the third side is called the base. Now the next is an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all the three sides are equal. In an equilateral triangle, as the name suggests, all the three sides are equal. See here, from this word only, equilateral. Equi means equal. So here all the three sides are equal. So now look at this triangle G, H and I. Here all the three sides are equal. So we will say that this is an example of an equilateral triangle. Now here this is a special type of a rectangle which is called isosceles right angled triangle. Yes, as the name suggests, it is a combination of triangle on the basis of sides and on the basis of angle. It is a combination of isosceles and right angle triangle. So this will be a triangle in which any one angle of the triangle will be a right angle and any two sides will be equal. So that type of triangle will be called an isosceles right angled triangle. So from here, if you will see, then angle M is of 90 degree. Okay, and any two sides like these two, they are equal. So this will be called, if this type of a situation is there in any triangle, then it will be called an isosceles right angle triangle. Means this type of triangle has right angle also, and here the two sides are equal. So it is called an isosceles right angled triangle. Alright, and obviously this is called the hypotenuse, the side which is opposite to 90 degrees. I hope you like our video. I hope you have learned from it, and if you do, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you so much everyone for watching, for motivating, for encouraging, for subscribing. Thanks a lot. Bye. Take care. Bye bye.